Now that I'm feeling squeaky clean, we're gonna go. You little brother, you have a bed, you have another bed, but you're sleeping on the ground, friend. Right now I'm gonna go cook some siopao because the friend requested some. Here we go. We're gonna be doing the siopao selects. Let's go heat these little boys up. Whoa! What is this tiny cake doing by itself? Wow, it's so tiny. What's your name? You come here often? Who let you here? Oh my god, and someone took a tiny slice out of you. But for real though, this actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna give it a sniff. Oh my gosh, it's lemon! Lemon is good. It's really dry. I can understand why someone took a tiny slice out of it. It's not the one. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I'm giving it some bonus points because it looks really cute. I'm gonna make 5. Good morning. Friend, there's absolutely nothing in your bowl. I'm sorry, but are you hungry? Let's go see what's in today's menu. You want Jimmy tea? Jimmy tea? Sit. Stay. Stay. Go. And bye. Oh. 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 You okay? What you looking at? Hey! Gonna go eat some fruit. My god, I look so... Ooh! Time to go fix myself. But I'm gonna do a different type of fixing. We're gonna do an oil treatment on my hair. Here is my oil. It's not urine, don't worry. I made this oil 2 months ago and I just haven't been really consistent with putting oil in my hair. To be honest, my hair is thirsty. I'm gonna go put my hair in the middle. Gosh, I look like Hagrid. Oh my god. Here's my oil. And what I do is I just pour it onto my hand and then I just massage it into my scalp like this. I got this oil recipe from a YouTuber. I will have her link in my description. So I mostly put the oil in my temples because that's where I have like the least amount of hair. Before, I used to have like absolutely no hair here. Due to time and patience, hair grew back and I'm looking like a baddie. All right. Now that I'm feeling squeaky clean, we're gonna go back to my room. Today's lunch is the chicken apretada. So we got some Portuguese sausage, las zanahorias, el pollo, and las verduras. So I'm super excited to go eat. I haven't eaten at all this morning. Wow! What is this random thing doing over here? Who are you? Do y'all remember that video of this one woman who was sitting on the toilet and she was just saying, "Sin on toilet, sin on toilet." That's like an all-time YouTube classic. Honestly, I hope she's doing well.
Me gustan las salchichas.
Those 3 years of Spanish in high school are really coming through right now. Kidding, when I was fresh from the womb, I came out looking like a conehead and I was vacuumed out of my mom. My head was like this. So it's been more than 1 hour and I'm about to go wash this off. And once I'm done showering and wash this oil off of my hair, I'll show you what it looks like. Hopefully it will be a good hair day. So I just finished showering and let me just tell you, this is what my hair looks like when it's wet. It's very thin looking. And I'm telling you, curly hair is an illusion. It's an illusion. Don't let it fool you.
We love each other. Oh.
My neighbor came in clutch and gave us this.